You are a bundle of condensed energy. Everything within and around you is energy. Did you know that the greatest power in the universe is your own life force? It is this energy of potential that keeps you alive and powers every bit of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. We are a multi-dimensional being, engaging mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical dimensions in anything and everything we do. Due to our ever-demanding lifestyle and polluted environments, our energy is being depleted, distorted, and disrupted, causing energetic imbalances that affect our health, well-being, and performance. Luckily, we have an inherent healing ability constantly working to heal and restore our vitality to homeostasis, which is an optimal state of wellness. However, in order to achieve homeostasis, there must be an adequate energy balance as well as supportive conditions. Energetic wellness is the state of subtle energy and balance in all four dimensions, creating a unique energetic signature resonating at a personal vibration. How well you feel, think, act, and live is based on this personal vibration. The greater the level of subtle energy and balance in all four dimensions, the higher it elevates our awareness, consciousness, and inner potentials. This effectively enhances our ability to respond to spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical requirements. Improve your energetic wellness and maintain an empowered state with regular holistic care, healing, and empowerment. This is possible with the latest AFT Quantum Resonance Technology products and holistic therapy. Cleanse, heal, and rejuvenate with AFT products. Stay grounded, balanced, and protected with AFT pendants. Pamper yourself with EGA Body Care. Switch on your epigenetics with AmGenX Nutritionals. Reduce aches, pains, fatigue, and stress. Stay active and energetic. To live well, you need to be well, feel well, think well, and do well. Empower your energy. Enhance your performance. Enrich your life and the lives of others.